So today is draw day for the Defender 90 Puma with only limited miles. We've really been pushing this raffle because we want this to go to someone that deserves it, someone that has just got £30. I've been doing lots of promotions to give tickets away because I want to help everybody and each and every one of my followers, because it's like an appreciation thing from myself. So thank you very much for your support over the years, and we've literally got 4 minutes, 21 seconds left, and I want to know who is going to win this raffle. So good luck, guys. I'm even getting nervous, you know, I've not even entered. I hope someone wins it that really deserves it. How many tickets you bought, Rob? 1. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Keep buying them.
It's going to be a long 1 minute 30 seconds.
Rob, if you win it, we're re-raffling it, you know that. This is why we've done an independent raffle, guys, so it's all fair. The amount of people that have tried to bribe me to say, Dave, can you fix it? I'm like, no, it's not happening. It's fair and square. Here we go. The competition has ended. The draw will take place shortly. Oh, this is like the really painful bit, isn't it? Oh, this is just teasing. Sorry, guys. I shouldn't have had that coffee earlier. It's making me feel worse.
You're shaking. Caffeine's good.
Has anybody had that notification yet that you've won?
If I win, do you think that would go down well?
What should we raffle next, guys? While I've got you here, what should I raffle next? Should it be an LS3 Defender, a BMW Defender, or something totally different like a Series 3 maybe? Unfortunately, Boris, we can't. That Series 3 is a customer's and it's his wedding car, so I can't raffle that. Unfortunately not. Definitely feeling the 130 though. The Dirty 130, the new customer actually is thinking to raffle it, so there's a possibility, guys, we could turn that into an absolute bigger monster than it currently is. I'm just going to refresh it, guys. Well, I've not heard anyone screaming out there yet saying, I've won it, so. If anybody wins it, guys, please let me know, because I'm starting to lose hair here. You're going to need a stiff drink soon. Yeah, pass me the whiskey. So everyone, we've got a bad influence in the office here, look.
Dave might make it better.
Very correct. I'm regretting to use a phone holder. I wonder, back in the World War II, they figured out that this... Oh, check that out. World War... So we've currently got the phone propped up on a World War II mortar in the office. It's working quite well. So ladies and gentlemen, what should we raffle next? I'm currently building a bronze green Series 3 at home in my barn. That's going to have a bored out 2 1/4, so we're boring that out to 2.5 litre with a lovely SU carburettor and big head spec and a naughty cam in there. So I could raffle that if people are interested.
You know it can take an hour, Dave.
No. Oh, here we go.
The draw has been made.
The winners. Oh, Kevin Peters. Who are you, Kevin Peters? You need to give me a call. Congratulations. So Kevin Peters, please give me a call. Office number or my mobile number. I'll get in touch with you shortly. Thank you for entering, guys. Much appreciated. And I'll see you soon. So ladies and gentlemen, that was a very painful 5-10 minutes. So anyway, the draw's been made and the winner is Mr. Kevin Peters. So I'm going to try and get Kevin Peters' number and I'm going to give him a call. So hold in there, guys. So guys, because we use an independent raffle company, which keeps it all fair and square, there's no fiddle, there's no nothing. I just proved it. We sat there on live, Instagram live, going through it. As painful as it was watching the draw being made, because obviously the adjudicator has to do their thing and check everything. And it's just come through now that Kevin Peters has won. So I'm going to try and find his number and get hold of him. The name doesn't ring a bell, and I'm over the moon that he's won this Defender. So it's ready, it's prepared. We just need to give it to him. Stay tuned.
A few moments later.
And today is the day that we're giving the raffle car to the new owner, which is Kevin, and he's on his way down from Scotland today. So stay tuned.
So have you been using it yourself then? Have you?
Yeah, so I used it for myself for probably about 6-7 months.
Right.
And then, so everything's like to my taste, if you like, and you know, with the business in mind.
Yeah.
So.
Oh no, it's done to a real good standard, real high standard.
Little things like we played about with, you know, the colour of these hinges, you know, and the handles to make it a bit different.
So
Remind me second keys, don't leave until I give you them.
how do you get that colour on there?
So that's an anodising. So what we do, we machine them, and then they get sent to an anodising plant, and then they basically add a pigment to the anodising.
Oh, they do. Yeah.
And then we've done some contrasting, obviously handles inside there, etc.
Yeah.
So I've got you some heavy duty rubber mats. The lads are just cleaning them up now.
Oh, I see.
So, but yeah, and that's I love this look though because it ages with the car, which is quite nice. And it's like if you ever scuff it, like if you let's say you run your nail down it, just give it a rub.
Aye.
Put some oil into it every now and again. That's what I love about just natural fabrics. They just.
So do you make that in house then here?
So that's made by a company called GH Leathers, designed for handbags originally.
Oh yeah.
Handbags and things like suitcases, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
So.
That's
It's a smell like you put your head in there. It's like
yeah, I know.
it's
See, it's all anodised. Yeah.
it's got a nice touch to it, hasn't it?
Yeah, super.
So where's home for you?
North of Dundee.
Okay.
You never spent any time in Arbroath when you were in the
A bit, yeah.
Marines? Aye, so it's not so far from there.
Behind the wire for probably I did 2 weeks and that was enough for me. I was like, get me out of there.
Yeah, I don't believe you.
Remote as hell, isn't it? Yeah, safety wheel on here, we've got that. So if you pull them 2 pins, off that comes.
All right.
So if you leave it anywhere for long periods of time, just what I normally say is hide it behind the seat.
Yeah.
It's just another good deterrent. Literally pull them off, line it back up, put a bit of pressure on it, job done.
Oh, good.
To make sure it's on before you bugger off anyway.
Yeah.
It's got a good tone to it, this has. It's got the 3-inch turbo back stainless on it.
Right, so you made that in house then?
Yeah, that's all been TIG welded here.
Mm-hmm.
So it's really clean, like even under the bonnet's immaculate on this one. It's probably the only Puma I'm proud of. So
yeah,
I'm not a fan of them normally, but this one's really clean, mate.
It is very clean. Yeah, it's pretty spotless.
So I'll double check everything as well because you're going to be going back up the line, aren't you? And grab a rag.
So how often do you recommend servicing these? More regular than normal?
I would do, mate, every 6,000 mile.
Yeah.
And just always good quality oils like a Valvoline or a Mobil, something like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Or a Morris, something that, you know, something good.
Yeah.
And don't be alarmed if you find things like that, dust, because this has all been media blasted underneath.
Oh, is that what?
And it will come out of places that you least expect. Like you turn the vents on one day and it'll free itself up from somewhere.
Right, aye.
But the good news is it's all been painted and treated and stuff, so.
Yeah.
Because I hate seeing rust and crust.
I know it's kind of unavoidable a lot of the time too, isn't it?
Yeah, and so this has got all the Gwynlewis mud flaps, so you see in here.
Yeah, I see that.
Mud shields, galvanised bars.
Yeah.
Just keeps the muck off the car more than anything.
Yeah.
And then same on the back, all that kind of stuff. So.
And the chassis, everything's been treated anyway, hasn't
Yeah,
it?
we've done all the blasting, treating, the rear's been done in satin, just to give it a nicer effect.
Yeah.
If you ever tow in, that bit there pops up. So you literally just put a bit of pressure on it, pull that out,
Yeah.
so you get to your tow bar. I'd say if you're ever leaving it for long periods of time, always make sure that's down. We'll do this to me now. That one first. That's it. So you've got to make sure the click before you pull
Just a
up.
quick eye.
That's it, yeah. So
That's super light.
you can get me in the back, but you get
No,
average people.
I'll get my kids in the back. Like,
Oh,
so
definitely, yeah. They'll love it.
Yeah. Oh, very, very good.
On this, I always say aim to go like that below the cap.
Yeah. Yeah.
Originally I did it low and it was too horrible. Where I live is like every country road, so it's like you can drive this girl hard as well. It's got upgraded anti-roll bar, so you can throw it around a little bit. So all the bits and pieces are on there. So it's got upgraded on the front.
Yeah.
It's behaved really well. Want to go for a drive?
Yeah, for sure.
Let me just go and grab the mats.
Yep.
Everything's in there, Kev.
Okay.
Service
then,
history, all that kind of stuff, mate.
Yeah. Grand, thank you.
I had a heart attack this morning trying to find it, and it was right in my eyesight.
That's super.
Put your bag in here, mate.
Yeah.
Grab the keys, mate.
Can't believe how well the door's shut.
There you go, mate.
Just
Let's move these bins. angle there, mate.
That's impossible. Did you get around here?
Yeah, go on there, mate. You're fine. So what's it? You got a TD5?
I do. I've got a TD5 truck cab, no 4-plate.
Oh, you'd be grateful for legroom there, mate. Isn't it?
Yeah, I was just thinking that when I got in here.
Also, this has got the extended rails as well.
Oh, it does, aye.
So you'd be grateful for that.
Oh,
So
it's super light, yeah.
there's no knees in the dash and all that lot.
It's quite smooth to drive.
Oh, it's totally different, mate.
Yeah.
So the nice thing with Pumas, they have got a good ability to, like, you know, clutch to accelerator control.
Yeah.
Look at that, mate.
I've only ever driven one up on the hill, but just for a
Yeah.
wee bit, never.
Yeah, I put some fuel in it this morning. I thought, keep you going.
Oh, that's good, yeah. And where's the name come from?
So, maker of things.
Right.
So everything that we put into a vehicle is like something is made. Like, you know, all this is handmade.
Yeah.
And the guy that I worked alongside to build the brand, he said to me, they study a lot of questions. They'll say like, oh, so why do you do what you do? And, you know, I had to give him lots of puns about, you know, why we do things and how we make things. These little things like, daft it sounds like this armrest. I always sit in Defenders and people naturally lean to the middle.
Yeah, they do.
So I always thought, I'm all about, you know, I like my fitness and stuff, so I thought posture is an important thing. So it's like making things comfortable. So you prop yourself up opposed to leaning down.
Yeah.
The standard one that's too low.
That's what I like about, like, as I followed your channel quite a bit, and you can see there's a thought process behind everything.
Sure.
So it's not just done for show or, you know, flashiness. It's done for the right reason.
Definitely, yeah.
And
like this one as well, it'd be good for your neck of the woods because you've got like heated window screen. If you want to have a play in the mud, you can turn the traction off.
yeah,
Heated seats, that's a
I know, it'll be brilliant for, absolutely brilliant for
being
that.
spoiled.
Yeah. I've always driven Land Rovers, even ever since I've started work, you know,
Sure.
and lots and lots of miles off road, as well as on road. And started with Series 3 and then worked my way up, you know.
Yeah, don't be afraid. This has got a stage 2 remap on it, so it's got plenty of poke.
So what does that involve, a stage 2 then? What does that
So they basically reworked the ECU to
Right.
make the ECU, make the engine run smoother than it did from Land Rover.
Mhm.
So Land Rover did all their refinements, but they make the car acceptable to run in every corner of the globe.
Yeah.
So what Alive do is they've tweaked the car to run perfectly in England, if you like. We've got like the ultimate air, so you know, they're perfect for combustion, that kind of stuff. But if you were to take a car to say Morocco, it'd then be under strain, that kind of thing.
Aye, because of the heat,
Yeah. So it's got a good bit of poke, this one. It's got so it's got the big intercooler as well. It's got Ali Sport oversized intercooler, so that cools the air that's coming in.
Yeah.
So it does
So
work really
you
well.
need to do that with stage 2 then?
Yeah, they work hand in hand. It's like it's
Yeah.
good to have like one of each. No, it's just nice, mate. We did a show last year and we were raffling. I don't know if you saw. We had that Dirty 130.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we raffled that one.
Yeah.
And a guy won it from America, and unfortunately he couldn't take it because it's not exportable. It's too new, if you like, 2012.
Right. Yeah.
So that was a bit upsetting, really. So I wanted to, you know, a bit like yourself, wanted to give him a car, you know, let him enjoy it.
Mhm.
So we're going to be re-raffling that one sometime soon.
It's so much smoother. But the one
Yeah,
I've
so the
got,
Fox are, so this has got comfort springs, stock height comfort springs, where the Fox give it a lot more of a like progressive feel, if you like.
Yeah,
It'll be spoiled with this as well, like a heater that actually does its job.
I know. It's
especially coming from a TD5, it's
a
like
lot more refined.
Yeah.
Plus mine always, you hit certain revs and you just think you're revving all the time.
Yeah, Puma's, so yours will have like the 1.4 ratio, this has got the 1.2 transfer case.
Right, yeah.
So it gives it an easier life, and it's obviously got the 6-speed, which also helps it.
Yeah, a bit more civilised.
Yeah. No, I love this car because it's like, you know, it's an original colour.
Yeah.
Entry green, it's like, that's why I thought it'd be a great choice to raffle it. It's got all the nice upgrades as well, like Alcantara headliner, all the bits are there, so make sure I have to do sunglasses.
There's been a huge amount of work in it.
It's gone through, mate.
Yeah.
Originally I built it with a roof tent on, I wanted to go and do a bit of camping.
All right, yeah.
And then my little lad came along, and then now we've had a second one, so
see that.
I've called it a day at that now.
Yeah.
I have to build another in about 5 years.
Life changes a bit when that happens.
It certainly does, mate, doesn't it?
In a good
you don't
way.
kid yourself?
I've got two boys, so...
What age?
7 and 8.
Okay.
So,
Good age, that.
but yeah, so they're
Better run you ragged.
they're both Land Rover Daft as well, which is really good.
You told them yet?
Yes, I have. Aye, so they're
You got one each now, and you.
mega excited. I think the wife might have something to say about that, but I'll keep this one 100%. Like,
Definitely, yeah.
yeah. I mean, for me, it's
You have to send us a picture, get your lads in here, and then.
it's ultra special because, you know, I could have never afforded something like this,
Sure.
but to be able to get it this way is just phenomenal. Like,
That's amazing. That's exactly what we wanted someone to do. You know, someone that can appreciate it.
yeah. And the spec on it's pretty much,
Yeah.
you know, I don't think I would have deviated much from it.
Desirable, isn't it? That's what.
Yeah,
that was my goal with it. What's your plan? Straight home.
Yeah, I'll just go up tonight. Yeah, I'm stuff on tomorrow, so but it's well worth it, you know.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
well worth it. So
Yeah, I've done it myself now since we're doing these raffles. I've started buying a couple of other people's ones. So like,
yeah,
I've seen a couple of Porsches there, which are well out of my reach. But I thought, I'd love to. Just left it here, mate. I've always thought to myself, I'd love to be able to.
yeah.
You just never know.
Well, if you don't try, you're no chance of winning, you know.
Exactly, mate. The great thing is, it's independent. You know, everyone's. Like,
Yeah.
It's proved it. Like, look at yourself.
Yeah, I know it's great. I can't believe the ride you get in this, even over that wee bump there with the springs and the shocks.
Yeah, it took us a long time to get this recipe right. So.
I notice a huge difference from because I've driven a lot of standard ones in the past, and obviously.
Yeah, you probably noticed it nod a lot.
Yeah, or the one I've got myself because I've uprated it a bit. It's awful hard, too hard actually.
Oh, you've got a bit too heavy duty.
Yeah, it's a 2-inch lift, and I've got big off-road wheels in it because it was built for a purpose. But
Okay, like it?
super, absolutely blown away with it.
That's what we needed.
Yeah, absolutely blown away.
So
Completely appreciate everything.
I'm glad you like it, mate. I'm glad it's your taste.
Yeah, colour's great. What you've done to it's fantastic.
That's amazing, mate. Thank you
you
very
go.
much.
Thank you.
Can't say I've had that one, mate.
I will enjoy that.
Does it give you a headache?
Nope,
That's what I like.
I will enjoy that.
Appreciate that, mate. I'll give that a dabble. Yeah, send us a photo of you and your boys in it, mate. I'd
I will
like that.
do. And I'll,
Any good landmarks now? You give us a
yeah, I'll
send us
probably
some
take it
pics.
up top one of the hills and send you a few photos of that.
Let me go and get your spare keys.
Thanks very much.
You're welcome. Won't be a minute. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. It's a bit of a sad day, really. So I've enjoyed that 90. I've had that car for probably a year and a half. But Kevin couldn't have been a more, deserving client. So he's now going to be a customer of mine for life, hopefully. He said his two little boys are Defender mad, and I told him, I said, please keep that car in your family. It'd be lovely to see your boys grow old with it, and maybe bring it back to me one day for more modifications. So anyway, we're going to be putting another vehicle out for raffle sometime soon, so keep your eyes peeled. And stay tuned to the website and the YouTube, and please like and subscribe. Cheers guys, bye bye.